my god, look at this store, dude. Oh shit. Ah, that's way cool, man. Hello. I like this a lot. Which one's Money Tree? This is fucking cool. And this is connect with the other store. Oh my god, wow, this is this is way cool. I like it. My mom's gonna like this a lot. Full of auctions in here. Ooh, Dangong, $32. Yes. Selling seeds, garden kit, $18. Shit, nice, nice, nice. They just planted it. This is olive trees. Olive trees originally planted in 1963 in Central City has been carefully preserved and replanted here for environment of visitor to Westfield Central City. Wow, olive tree. 2 olive trees. Man, these are nice. Olive trees.